This is a video for the ID parts cold start for 2016. Up here in Canada, it's a nice sunny day. It's about 9 in the morning. It's almost a quarter past frozen moccasin. Let's go see how this TDi thing starts. Huh. So it's 2003 ALH. Got the DLC 754s with the VNT something or other. Spend more than my Louis bag, on these, and it's a silver car. I politely dubbed it the winter beater because I beat the winter. Yeah, not plugged in, frozen. Let's see here. It's got 260,000 kilometers just rolled over the other day. It's got a broken door. Can't hear it make beeping noise. It's pretty polite. Help you guys out for this video. And I'm just gonna give it one shot with the glow plug. Huh, weird, look at that. Started. Guess I gotta go to work this morning. Shit.